Welcome to a PurpleDS Hub tutorial. Today's topic: how to create an issue. Let's jump into the Purple Issues section on the left hand side. The first view is the management view. Here you find all your already created issues, and you can sort these issues or filter by date, category, or published in, means the channel you publish the issue to. On the right hand side you have the option to search through all your existing issues. You can easily edit your existing issues just by press the edit button of the issue. You can easily quick edit. Quick editing means you can change quickly the title, the slug, the publishing date, you can add a category, you can change the structure of parent and child, you can change the order, or you can easily add some tags. Basically, issue creation is quite similar to article creation. The issue logic is a parent with one or more than one child. The childs, so let's say the regular articles, are marked with a little hyphen in the beginning. The parents, normally the cover, do not have a hyphen. So you need the logic of parent and child for issue publishing. The publishing will always be on top level. So you publish the parent, and by that you publish all childs which belong to the parent. Let's create a new issue. Just click on the Add New Issue button in the top bar. What we do, we add an issue title, let's say Demo Issue 1017, and what we add is an image for the cover. So I go back to my media library and pick up one of my images. Let's say I take this one, select, and in addition, what is very important is I add not only the category, I have to set an issue image. So don't forget to set issue images. The same as for the article-based publishing, you always have to set a featured image. You need that for the cover in the website or in your app. So here we go. Fine. I save the draft and go back to the issue overview on the left-hand side. Now I create one or two articles which then belong to my cover. So I just created the first level, and now I add a second issue or a second article. Here we go, and I say that is article 1 of issue 1017, let's say. What I can do to speed up the process, I just copy and paste an article from an existing website. Copy, go back, and paste. Here we go. So I have just created my first article. I need to add, as I said before, an issue image. Here we go. Select, and I just created my first article. I save it as a draft and create just a new issue, so means a new article. So that we have two articles and one issue cover, let's say. So I go back to the website so that I can copy and paste another article as well. So we just go into that one, change to English, and I just copy quickly here a little bit of the text so that I can reuse the text in my article. Here we go. Back, and I copy that in. Second article of issue 1017, let's say. Can set an issue image. You only have to set the issue image if this article might be a parent. If it's just a child belonging to a parent, you don't have to set that. But I just do it so that we have a proper article with an issue image here. So now I go back to the overview on the left hand side, and you see that we just created 3 articles. demo issue 1017, article 1 of issue 1017, second article of issue 1017. What I need to do now is, in Quick Edit, I say that this article belongs no, it was the right one, that this article belongs to a parent, and I choose the parent. Here you find the parents, and I say this article belongs to this parent. I do an update. So now you see that the article just got an hyphen. By that it is a child. I do exactly the same with the second article. It belongs to the same parent. And by that, this demo issue 1017 cover just got two childs. I go back into this demo issue 1017, and on that level I can now say publish to web. So I activate the web publishing and say publish. I probably change the publishing date back to 2017. As we said, it's an October 2017 issue. Doesn't matter, just for fun. And I say publish. Now I can go back onto my website and check what we just did. So I visit the website, and you will see here in the issue section of the website, here we go, that we just created a new demo issue 1017 from 19th October 2017. If I jump into the issue, you will see that I have a proper cover and I have two related pages. Page 1 with the article we created, and page 2 with the second article which we copy and pasted from a website and added as an article to my issue. Here you can see that we have 3 pages, the cover, and 2 related article pages. So if we go back to the hub, or we edit the issue, you can see that I just published it to the website. However, I could also publish exactly the same issue to our app. Just activate the publishing button, select your team app, feed an issue, and publish exactly the same to the app. Here we go. I just update. And as soon as the process is processing has been done, you will see here that the issue has been uploaded to the app. Article, or in that case the issue, has been updated in your Purple.ds app. So we can jump over to our app. We can go to the kiosk, and here you should find, as you can see here on the right hand side, you find the demo issue 1017 in your app. If you click here and download the issue, it is downloading the issue, all the 3 pages, and thereafter you can have a look at the issue within your app. It takes a couple of seconds to download the complete content. Here we go. Click view, and here you see first page, first article, second article, table of content, app menu, and there you see we have a newsstand, and we published from the DS Hub to a website as well as to our native app. So I hope that gave you a quick intro in how to publish an issue, how to create, manage and publish an issue. Should you have any further questions on how to publish or create issues, just let us know. Get in contact with us. Looking forward to hear from you, and have fun by testing our Purple.ds Hub. Bye.